places which speak to us and tell us their stories. Italy, 1883. A family, a special place, as special as the wine bearing its name, Soave. An inn where that wine of extraordinary harmony is served with simple dishes. An intuition, a desire to fill glasses up and down the country. The beginnings of the Bolla winery lie here, daring to dream of something yet to exist. In Venice, the first success leads to other ambitious projects. From Soave to Valpolicella, new hills, new grapes. In Piedemonte, where this love of the craft gives rise to a new winery. These places are blessed with a favorable climate and exceptional soil, which nurture unique varieties. Garganega gives Soave its volcanic strength, just as Corvina, Corvinone, Rondinella, and Molinara have always represented the great reds from Verona, round wines with a remarkable bouquet, the fruit of long-standing trust and constant dialogue with the people who work this land. Valpolicella, 1953. Amarone Bolla, the first bottle ever created. The proof of a record celebrating the pioneer's birthday. This wine embodies a real achievement. The passage of time brings its own rewards. Optimism returned in the post-war years, and the world revealed itself as a place full of promise. Success spread to New York, especially among the stars of the silver screen, enjoying newfound popularity. The secret of this age-old tradition is respect for time, the time taken for the harvest, all by hand. The 4 months the grapes are left to dry on their racks, the time taken for fermentation and then for aging in oak barrels for up to 5 years. Season after season, the key waits. A unique reward lies in the mastery of the craft. Flavor. "130 years of history, spanning 4 generations. Grandfather's cellar, the ancient soul of the business, is to be found in the historic barrels, which are still used today to age our finest wines. Tradition lives on, enhanced by innovation. Grapes from the region's best harvests are transformed into the excellence of a wine that is enjoyed on every continent." for the soul. Bolla, since 1883.